Oh, it's better.
If you want to stop smoking for yourself and your family, you can call the Quit line now.